Hi and welcome back to the Joyful Soul Creates. Lady Joyful here, and I am unboxing the May Love from Lizi card kit. And as usual we have a small bag with embellishments and a larger bag with papers and such. So I am going to begin by opening the small bag. Let's start with the first thing that caught my eye, which is this feathery almost like ribbon. It's like a boa, and I know my cats would love to eat this, so I need to make sure I leave it where they can't get to it. And then we have some other ribbons. We have this one with palm trees. We have this one with leaves on it. And it's actually two colours. It's a kind of more browny yellowy green on the back. It's just a slightly different shade. We have this ribbon of sequins, green sequins here, and another green. This one is green and white stripes, or on the other side is just plain green. There's some green metallic thread, some gold ribbon, and then we have some narrow ribbons as well in kind of rusty reddish brown and white. There's a couple of large tags. There is some green kind of glitter paste. Very sparkly. We also have a larger pot which is embossing powder. This is Golden Crown embossing powder. There are Nuvo drops, and these are jewel drops in Strawberry Coulis, the colour is, so they're red and they dry translucent, and jewel drops take 48 hours to dry. There is a little pack of sequins, which again has the same colour scheme. There's greens and reds, there's some blacks, some golds and coppery colours, and some little white ones as well. There's this green pipe cleaner. We have a die, and this is I think that's a toucan. And then the final thing in this small bag is this little bag. There's a couple of wooden banner tag parts. We have some wooden flowers, and then we have some little gold leaf sequins. So that was the small bag, and we will do the big one. So let's start with the stamp set. And we have some leaves and flowers and some different sentiments. It's kind of tropical theme, and I do like the punny sentiments. There's sorry you're leafing and I'll always believe in you. There is a stencil that coordinates nicely with the stamp set. It's the same kind of leaf, and the ferns and flowers. We have some 6x6 pattern papers, and these are kind of, they have gold sheen to them. So this one has parrots, and then the back is just white with that kind of golden sheen, giving a kind of pearly look. This one is blue and gold, and then the back's plain. There's a zebra print, so it's blue rather than black. One with butterflies and a kind of leopardy blue leopard print on the back. This is kind of dark turquoise and blue, and then there's a floral pattern on the back, another floral pattern. This one's a bit more subtle pattern, kind of tone on tone, and this is kind of florals. There's some toucans and stripes, then blue and green pattern, and then a kind of plainer dark grey blue, chevrons. And this one looks almost like fabric. It's smooth, but it looks textured. Here we have some leaves, and this one does have has a kind of plasticky feel to it. This one also has that plasticky shine on the images. Another kind of leaf. Some more flowers. Some more leaves, and these are quite realistic looking. And some more butterflies, and this one again has that gold sheen to it. Then we have the specialty papers. We have a gold pearlized card, a gold mirror card, and then a kind of black. This has a gold sheen to it as well. It's kind of a pearlized one again. There are some peel-offs in mirror gold, very shiny. We have this gold. I have seen this before and I can't think of the word for it now. It's kind of like webbing. Then we have our letter size cards, which I will use for making my card bases. So we have red, dark green, yellow, grey, and white. And there's another white as well. This one is, I think, lighter weight. And then there's this white polka dot card, and it has green foiling on it. So the overall theme is quite tropical for this kit, with the pattern papers with the parrots and the kind of tropical leaves and flowers. And the stamp set, of course, has that same tropical feel, and the embellishments bring it in as well, with the palm trees and the sequins. You could almost think of them kind of like snake skin. And there's the toucan die as well. And of course lots of red and green and gold in the colours for this one. So that is it for the card kit. It is still currently in stock, so there are links down below to where you can find it, as well as to the subscriptions if you would like to subscribe to the card kit. I will have a video coming at the end of the month or the beginning of next month showing my 10 cards from this kit. So be sure to subscribe to my channel to check that out. If you enjoyed this video, do give a thumbs up, and if you have any questions you can leave a comment down below or contact me on social media as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!